Logitech, as we all know, is one of leading brands on the market for computer accessories. Apart from a wide range of high-profile mechanical keyboards, it also offers a few options for a premium membrane keyboard. The Logitech MX Keys Keyboard is meticulously designed to offer a perfect typing experience with uniquely shaped keys to match the contours of your fingertips. With that, you can enjoy comfortable, stable, and precise typing on a keyboard crafted for optimal comfort and stability. You can also connect the keyboard to your device using the included Unifying USB Receiver or Bluetooth Low Energy technology, offering versatility and convenience. The MX Keys Keyboard also features smart illumination with hand proximity detection and automatic backlighting. The keyboard is powered through the USB cable, which only provides power and can last up to 10 days on a full charge or up to 5 months with the backlighting turned off, ensuring long-lasting performance. As for the wired connection, you will find a USB-C port on the keyboard on this 5.1 by 16.9 by 0.8 inches compact keyboard. Best features of this item. This keyboard has square keycaps, smart backlight with ambient sensor. It supports USB connectivity. 3 color options are available. Pros of this item. Coming from a highly reliable brand. Battery lasts for up to 5 months. USB-C port for connectivity. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.